In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Geoguessr. For this tutorial, I'll be using a mobile browser. However, the layout is the same for computer or mobile. So from the Geoguessr home screen, press on your profile avatar at the top. That will open up this drop-down menu. Come down and select Account. Beside your nickname and country, there will be an edit button. Press on that. That will give you the option to edit your nickname. So take out the name and change it to whatever one you want. You also see that you only have one change remaining. That is per month, so you need to make sure you spell it right and it is the username that you want. Once you've done that, go ahead and press update and you'll see that your profile has been updated. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.